Right, so you've got your new application. Save all. Decide where you're going to save it. You guys are grade 11, 19. So new folder. And database demo. Okay, this is my main unit. And call this main P for project. Right, what you need to do, guys, is you must make sure you have the database you're going to work with in this folder. So let's find a database to work with. If I want to work with Happy Snappy, I copy that and I go to that folder I'm going to be using. Make sure the database is in it. Okay. Now we need to add a data module. File, new, other. Delphi files, data module, okay. Now let's save this again. This is DM happy. I'll put there for you so now it's a use. I want to rename this data module happy. Right. Now on this data module, we can save all. We need to put our components. You're always going to have an ADO connection that's going to connect you to your database. Okay, ADO, it's going to be called conhappy. So that's going to connect to the database. And I'm also going to need an ADO table. That's going to connect to the ADO connection. Table customer. And then I need a link to the objects I'm actually going to use, like the DB grid, etc. And that's a data source. So these are the basic three components. Yes, customer you will use. Okay, now the order of connection. This left one connects out of the program to the database, and the table connects to its left to the data connection. The data source connects to its left to the table customer. Okay, so here we're going to go and say connection string build and if you're using an old database, which is a .mdb, which is what this is, you're using the Microsoft 4 engine. I suggest you just use that for your pets, etc. It's easier. Okay, here we're going to browse, clicking on the ellipses. We go to the folder we're in. There's our database. That's what we're going to open. We test the connection. Okay, that's fine. Now we've got the connection set. We want to say login prompt false, because if you leave it true, every time you try and connect to your database, it'll pop up a little login screen. You don't want to do that. Okay, we just want everything to run smoothly. Right, so this is set up correctly now. Table customer needs to connect, okay, where we're connecting to conhappy. So it's connecting to the object to its left, okay, to this ADO connection. Then we must select a table from that. You'll see there, I think 3 tables in here. So that database is 3 tables. This one's connecting to the customer table. The data source is connecting to what to its left? What's its left? Table customer. Right? Now at table customer, you can go and set active to true. Now this data source is set up properly. Save all. Go back to your main unit. Now in order for your main unit to use this data source, it needs to add it to its users clause. So we have to add what we see here, DM happy U. DM happy U. Okay, now it knows it exists and it has access to everything in that unit or in that data module. Save all. Now we can put our DB grid on and call that customer. Now with this DB grid, we can link it to that table. What do you think we're going to link it to? What's the table what? To that data source. Let's have a look. The data source property, click here. It's data module happy data source customer. So this object links to the data source, which links to the data table, which links to the data connection to the database. So it's always going to be these objects in this order that will link you to your database. And there you have it. That's how you set up that link. Now in this particular one, there was a second table. So if you have two tables, you come here, it's one database still. Saga 88 table, what would I call this? TBL, that other one was invoices, I think. Invoices. And then here, this will link to what connection? To the same con happy, and a table name will change. It's order form. So then here you would just go and change this name to order form. Name, table, orders. And I need another data source. Data source. This will be orders. And you're seeing how it goes now. This connects to what? Table orders. Save all. Go back to your main. Now here I could put another DB grid in and connect it to that one. So then I'm showing two tables out of the same database. DB orders. Okay, data source. Yes, orders. Can't see anything. Why can't we see anything? Who's got a brain today?
So we didn't active.
Absolutely, very well done. Make the active true on the table. Go back. There we go. Now we've got two tables. Remember, it's one database. So we only need one connection to the database. Two tables in the database, two data sources to each table. If you wanted to add the other table, you do it again. And that's how you create the links to your databases so that you can actually work with them.